Or if you want, we can video outside. Hey guys, get ready with the...
Bakit get ready? Hello ka naman. Ay, introduce yourself kasi it's gonna be your first time. Na
ganda mo naman sa camera, Ada.
True! Very pretty, diba?
And this is my... And I'm Kulisa.
Yes. How old are you na, Kulisa?
11.
Yes, very pretty ni Kulisa.
Mami, so may choices kasi po sila lolo. Yung isang natin sa diba? Isang tayo mag-picnic din. Kasi picnic is sa floor. Sa bahay. So, we're here at Boracay! Boracay! Look!
Guys, we're here now sa Callao. Let's start!
Water! 7 years old. Go walk with us!
Kung saan naman kayo pinaka-order sa Manila Philippines po sa Manila. Pinaka-order naman sa Philippines. 138K years old.
Oh!
Yes. Excavation po na excavation.
Ito tayo.
So, nasa National Museum. Yes.
Hey guys, walk with us. Welcome to Callao, Cavite.
Akitin po natin. Bago natin ma-reach yung
Kuya, wala ako sa bahay. So, we're going to walk. So pretty.
Yes po. Kung gusto niyo pong mag-ano boating area,
Kuya?
doon makikita yung yung Mororan na
So, I'm going to vlog when we start walking because we are still picturing the view. Look at very nice. Hey guys, walk with us to
Callao.
Tinake over na ni Kulisa yung vlog mo.
Parang ito yung magiging problema natin.
I don't like walking.
Yun lang, I
Oh,
don't.
look guys, there's
Yun ang
a
gagawin natin.
Resort Cavite.
Destination po natin, CR po, kasi wala po tayong CR sa taas po.
Hindi po kami.
Guys, may naiinis sa inyo? Kasiliat. Oh,
Wala.
Kasilyat means itawis yan po. Kasilyat means CR.
CR.
Kasi Lune ay hanggang Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Ito naman, gagawin natin ng T yung S. Lunit. Martit.
Martes.
May kulit.
Anong language yan?
Itawis.
Itawi. Ay,
So,
tawid.
pwedeng Spanish word po.
Oh, Spanish
Ito
word.
yung responsibilidad natin na magiging thieves and vandalism.
Ay, gwapo. Hi, we're almost there, I think. Pagod na pagod.
Okay. Peña means white. Peña means black. And then Blanca means... kaya pala may coffee made Blanca. Casablanca.
Oy, pizza ako po sa my first jumper. Meron pa pong signal, pero sa second na po, wala.
Okay. So, ito na lang. Oh my God! 138,000 years old.
So, ito po yung
Dito siya na.
mas matanda po siya dun sa Tabon Matin, Palawan po.
Mm-mm.
So, pinangalan po sa Sunesis po, or Palawan.
Mami, mas maganda kung kidner mo yung buhok mo.
Oo. Meron siya type.
Dali lang yung picture. Dali lang yung
Oh. Tita, be careful.
Iba talaga kapag tipak ng rate na. Sobrang... Yan. Walang ganda eh.
Tan tan taran, tan tan taran, na na na.
Then ito pa, parang frog po.
Oh, yeah. Or crocodile. Ito yung eyes niya.
So, ito na po yung
Oh my God, ang ganda. Akala ko lagi ka nagkikid.
riding in the
Chicken wings? Kita naman. Ang ganda. Bibili na kami. Charis. Yes.
Say hi.
Hi, mga pagod na. And here's the view.
Kaya na po yung vlog mo. Change your profile pic.
Hindi ko siya change.
Kuya! Evan, guys, ito. Ano yan ba?
Oh my God! Ah, natatakot na raw siya! I'm scared! So, ang talo sa Bella, oh, ang saya pa. Yay! Woo! Go, kuya! Babasain mo kami! Ah! Very recommended talaga tong to visit this place kasi super ganda ng experience. Yeah.
Ang tagal na namin dito sa Tuguegarao. Alam mo, kaya na namin dito.
Wow! Super. Oo nga, no? Siguro nanguhuli ng ano yan. So we took tricycle from Pinakanawan River to Bella's house. Hi, we just checked in. It's 5:19 p.m.
It's your ilang day mo na to?
It's my third day. Third pa lang. And then, Bella booked like matrimonial room type, pero nakuha namin is triple.
Mukhang may isasama kami dito mamaya.
Sino kayo? Charis.
Check-in namin dito. Magkakain na kayo.
Wow! So later, ang agenda namin later is mag-dinner, and then if meron kaming mapuntahang bar. So, yun lang. Ay, kailangan.
For the horse.
Uy, maninira. So, this is ano, Jayden ba? Jayden's Pansiteria. Yeah. Mega yan. 150 pesos. Let's try. May free na soup na sobrang something na creamy siya. So, let's try.
Kako, sana I will teach you how to eat it.
Okay, she will teach me how to eat it daw. So, let's try.
Naka-vlog.
Yan,
Put your eggs then.
So, yung eggs daw, lagay natin dito. And then,
Kumakain ng milk.
yeah.
And then,
Get ng konti.
Put here.
Okay, I will put it somewhere here.
Like a sauce.
Okay.
And then eat it.
Oh, wait. Then, we eat it daw. Ipakita ko muna siya sa vlog. Ipakita ko muna siya sa video.
Sarap.
Dan?
Yun lang.
Okay.
So, ito. Parang magsabaw naman. Pero ang dami nang binigay mong Mika sa akin, Jen. Sarap.
This must be added in your itinerary in your Tuguegarao trip kasi sobrang sarap talaga ng pansit. So, it's a must try. Wala pang alak yan.
Wala pang alak to, guys. Nag-akay pa lang kami.
Yeah.
Tagal eh. Excited ako malasing. Ito na to.
Wala pang alak. Ganyan na. So, watch out for later. And here's my itinerary for the second day. Hindi na kami newbie. Yeah! It's time to swim. Later, makikita niyo si Rem. For our breakfast, which can be lunch na rin kasi 11:10 na. So, we ordered kare-kare and lomi for sabaw. And we're just waiting for another plate. So, I got hot choco. And si Bella nag-matcha latte.
Matcha latte.
Oh my, ano kayang lasa niyan?
Lasang grass.
Nag-ano ka na eh. Balik ka na.
And here's the itinerary and the places we have been for my 3rd and 4th day in Cagayan Valley.
Night of Madame Chen.
Yeah.
We will be treating her in
Oh.
Together Away.
Wow.
So here, from the right, we have Java.
Java rice.
Big rice.
Okay.
Mahilig siya sa big. Okay. Next,
Next.
we have the very classic, which is the chicken. Can you see the juice exuding? Exuding in the chicken.
Okay. Next one.
The next one is their bear ribs. I don't know if it's beef or pork. It looks like it looks like a pork, but it's very yummy.
Yes.
A barbecue flavor. And then we have the classic one, which is the chicken.
Chicken wings.
Fried chicken. Tignan natin kung anong laban nila sa Jollibee. And for the last one, we
For
have
the last.
pasta.
The pasta.
Very white, like the heart of Jen.
Wow! Di ka sure.
Pasok na yan.
Guys,
Okay.
mas masarap yung pasta ni Mama.
Chaser. Inom pala.
Yung pala yung
We
chaser.
have the chaser.
Uh-oh.
And,
And?
nakalahati na namin, so kaya alas na kami.
To buy me a blind box. It has Tita Liverpool. Pero I like this boat, but I don't know what I want.
Oh, pick one lang. Yeah.
Alam mo yung packaging? Tita, tinan mo yung card. Tita mo yung card. Go get the card. Pero wag mo, pero tinan mo para makapagkita sa akin.
Okay. Ako.
Speaker side eh.
I'm sure magugustuhan. Yung picture niya is
Ay, si Shimanan nun!
Iba't ibang words. Sometimes US, USA, gano'n. Oh my God, ginawang Tinder. Please drop a DM for my friend. Australia? England? UK.
ito na yung last breakfast ko here. Last meal in Tuguegarao is steak for the Bye Bella, love you. Yes. Hello Kuya. This is it, Pansit. Goodbye, Tuguegarao. I have to fly back to Manila. Fairness, ang sakit ha. Ang bigat ng bag ko ngayon ha. Ang dami kong pinamili eh. Kaya ang bigat-bigat. Now I'm settled. Sana wala ako.
Once again, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is your flight here to be 3015 bound for Manila. If you're bound to the destination, please approach our cabin.
Just arrived in Manila for 11:35. No, it's 11:50. Dito na ako sa departure. Arrival hall pala. Not departure. Hindi ko alam kung kakain muna ako bago umuwi. Hindi ko siya uwi na. I really don't know. 50 pesos para lang ma-clean ko tong wine na binili ko. Oh my gosh. Hindi pa ako.
Thank you for watching! Bye, fans!